Good morning Year Ones and welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. Today we're going to be consolidating our learning of numbers to 50. Let's warm up with a game to start. I will say a number from 0 to 50 and then you need to write it down on your whiteboard or your paper. Have your 100 square ready to help you. So if you haven't got your 100 square ready, go and grab that now and pause the video. So the first number I'd like you to write is number 40. So find it on your 100 square and write it down, number 40. Okay, let's check your answer. 40. 40 is 4 tens. It's a 4 and a 0. The next number I'd like you to write is 17. Can you write number 17 for me? Let's check your answer. Number 17. 17 is 1 10 and 7 ones. 17. It has a 1 and a 7. Okay, the next number I'd like you to write is number 32. Can you write that number down for me? 32. Okay, number 32 has 3 tens and 2 ones. 32. Okay, one more number. Can you write number 50 for me? 50. Okay, check if you got it right. 50 is 5 tens. We need a 5 and a 0 for the number 50. Did you get those right? Okay, now today we are going to be consolidating our learning of numbers to 50. That means we're going to use all of the skills that we've been learning over the last week or so, and we're going to solve some questions together. So you need to have your homeschool book ready, and we're going to do our learning during the video today. So you need your homeschool book, you need a pencil, and your 100 square would be great. Okay, hopefully you're ready now for your learning. So, our dinosaur is thinking about these deans over here. He's thinking, how many tens and ones are there? What is the number? I want you to write it down in your book. So look at the tens and ones, think what the number might be, and write the number into your book for me. So what's the number? We've got 2 tens and we've got 3 ones. So the number must be 23. If you got it right, give it a tick. Okay. How many tens and ones are there now? What is the number? Write it down in your book. So there are 3 tens and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. 3 tens and 6 ones is number 36. Did you get that one right? Super job. Okay, and another one. How many tens and ones are there? What is the number now? Write it in your book for me, please. So we have how many tens? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones, 4 tens, and 5 ones is what number? Number 45. We can count our tens, can't we? Because we know our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. It's really quick to count in our tens. 40, and we know that there's 5 here. 40 and 5 more is 45. Which is the greatest number? Have a look at the bones. Figure out which is the greatest number and write that number down in your book for me. So this was a really quick one to work out because we can see that this one, this number here, has more bones because it has 2 lots of 10, doesn't it? This side over here, the pink side, only has 1 lot of 10. So we know here straight away 2 lots of 10 are 20, 20, and then we count our ones. 20 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 plus 4 more is number 24. On this side we have 1 lot of 10, and then we know that half of a tens frame is 5. 10 and 5 more is 15, and then we count on the other 2. 15, put it in your head. 16, 17. It's number 17. So which is the biggest number? Which is the greatest number? It's 24. Now can you write down the smallest number for me? Which is the smallest number? Write that down in your book. So the smallest number is number 14. We have less in this group. 14 is a smaller number than 19. Okay, now I would like you to use the number line to find the greatest number. So our numbers are at the top. We have a number 37, number 29, and number 24. So you need to use the number line to see which order they come in and see which is the greatest number. So you can pause the video to do that now. Okay, so let's look on the number line. 24 is here, 29 is here, and 37 is here. So to find the greatest number, we need to see which is the furthest number along on the number line. And that is number 37. So 37 is the greatest number out of those 3 numbers. Okay, now you need to use the number line to order the 3 numbers from smallest to greatest. So can you pause the video and do that now for me? So hopefully you spotted where the numbers were on the number line. So we have number 23 is here, number 31 is here, and number 39 is here. So our numbers needed to be ordered from smallest to greatest, didn't they? So we should have written 23, 31, then 39. Okay, now our dinosaur is asking us to compare the numbers. Which is the smallest number? Can you write it in your book? So look at all of the numbers. There are 5 different numbers here. Can you write the smallest number into your book for me? Okay, now can you find the greatest number and write that number down into your book for me? Which is the greatest number? Okay, next. 38 is more than which numbers? 38 is more than which numbers? Write them down in your book. Okay, 38 is more than which 2 numbers? Look carefully. Write those numbers down in your book. 38 is more than... Okay. 43 is less than which number? 43 is less than which number? Which number can you find? 43 is less than... is it less than 15? Is 43 less than 26? Have a think. Write that number down in your book, whatever one you think it is. 43 is less than which number? Okay, let's check your answers. So, give yourself a tick for each of these that you get correct. So the smallest number is 15. The greatest number is 47. 38 is more than number 15 and number 26. And 43 is less than, which number was it? It was 47. Okay, now can you arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest? So you're going to need to pause the video now, and I want you to arrange them from smallest to greatest. Now you can use your 100 square to see which of the numbers comes first, which comes next, and so on, to help you arrange them from smallest to greatest. So pause the video to do that now. So let's check your answers. So the first number, the smallest number, was number 11. Next was 15. The next number was 27. Then we should have 35. And the greatest number was 49. Now our dinosaur is saying, can you arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest? So it's the opposite way round now. Now you need to look at these 5 numbers and see which is the greatest number, the biggest number on your 100 square. And you need to put the greatest number first and work your way backwards to the smallest number. Can you pause the video to do that now for me? So let's check your answers. So the greatest number was number 42. Next you should have number 30. The next number was 29. Then we have number 22. And the smallest number was 14. Okay. Right, thinking carefully now. Have your 100 square ready to help you. What is 1 more than 39? What is 1 more than 39? Can you write the number down for me? Find it on your 100 square. So 1 more than 39. So find 39. Then we need to do 1 jump to find 1 more than. Okay, now can you find what is 1 less than 22? So this time you need to do 1 jump back. So you need to find 22 on your 100 square and do 1 jump back to find 1 less. Can you write that number down for me? Okay, our next question says, what is 2 more than 34? 2 more than 34. So to work this out, you can put 34 in your head and count on 2, or you can find 34 on your 100 square and do 2 jumps to find the number. Okay, write the number down in your book. Our next question says, what is 2 less than 47? So you can put 47 in your head and count backwards 2, or you can find 47 on your 100 square and jump back 2 to find 2 less. Can you do that now for me? Okay, what is 10 more than 30? 10 more than 30. So we now know, don't we, that on our 100 square, this is our tens column. Okay, this is our tens column down here. So when we're finding 10 more, we just need to do a jump down. So you need to find number 30 and do a jump down to find 10 more. What is 10 more than 30? Okay, can you write that number down for me? Right, now what is 10 less than 30? So what do we need to do if it's 10 less? So if we're doing 1 less, then we do 1 jump back. But if it's 10 less, what do you think we need to do? If it's 10 more, we do a jump down. If it's 10 less, we need to do a jump up. So 10 less than 30. Find it on your 100 square and write that number down for me. Okay, let's check your answers now. Give yourself a tick for all of the answers you get right. So 1 more than 39 is 40. So I found 39 on my 100 square and I did 1 jump, because for 1 more we just need to do 1 jump along, and that is number 40. Give yourself a tick if you got it right. The next question is 1 less than 22 is 21. So I found 22 on my 100 square, and this time I did a jump back and I landed on 21. Next, it is 2 more than 34 is 36. This time I'm going to do it in my head. So I'm going to put 34 in my head, and I'm going to use my fingers, get my 2 more ready to count on 34, 35, 36. The answer is 36. 2 less than 47 is 45. So you can find 47 on your 100 square, and you need to do 2 jumps back, and we land on number 45. So what was 10 more than 30? 10 more than 30 is 40. So we had to do a jump down for that one because we're adding 10. So our answer was 40. So what was 10 less than 30? So if you're doing 10 less, then you do a jump up. 10 less than 30 is 20. Okay, now can you complete the part-part whole models? How many tens and how many ones does each number have? So we have number 43 here. This part whole model is showing us that it has 4 tens. How many ones does 43 have? Can you write the ones down in your book? So 43 has 4 tens, but how many ones does it have? Write that number down. Let's check. Did you write down 3 ones? So 43 has 3 ones. Let's try one more time. This time our number is number 27. 27 has 7 ones, but how many tens does it have this time? How many tens? Can you write the tens, how many tens it has in your book? Okay, let's check. So 27 has 2 tens and 7 ones. Did you get that one right? 2 tens and 7 ones. Okay, can you write the missing numbers now? How many tens and how many ones? So our number is 35. 35. How many tens and how many ones does 35 have? Now, if it's easier for this one, you can pause the video and then you could draw out your part-part whole model like we just had a look at, and that might help you. So 35, how many tens and how many ones? So let's check your answers. So 35 has 3 tens and 5 ones. Let's try one more. Our number now is 46. 46 has how many tens and how many ones? So again, you can pause the video now to draw your part-part whole model to help you. So how many tens does 46 have and how many ones? It has 4 tens and 6 ones. Okay, now we're going to have a quick look at number patterns. So what is the number pattern here? So have a little look and tell your partner or your adult what is the number pattern. See if you can figure it out. Okay, can you write the missing number? So where there is a question mark, you need to write what number that would be. Can you write that number down in your book? So this number pattern is counting up in tens. Counting up in tens. 0, 10, 20, 30. The missing number is 40. The missing number was 40. Did you get that one right? Okay. What is the number pattern now? Write the missing number. We've got 37, 36, missing number, then 34, then 33. What is the missing number? Write that number down. So we are counting down this time in ones. The missing number is 35, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33. Well done, super maths learning today. Hope you got lots of ticks in your book. Well done everybody.